Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. The new Marvel series Loki just dropped on Disneyplus, and my son and I are really excited to see what this story is all about. Loki is one of the most intriguing characters of the Marvel universe. He's bad, he's unpredictable, but you kinda like him.
Now hang on just a minute.
And as I never drew Loki before, I thought for this video it was a cool idea to draw the God of Mischief, so let's draw Loki. Loki is an upcoming American television series created by Michael Waldron for the streaming service Disneyplus. It tells a story of what happens to Loki after Avengers Endgame. After stealing the Tesseract during the events of Avengers Endgame, an alternate version of Loki is brought to the mysterious Time Variance Authority, a bureaucratic organization that exists outside of time and space and monitors the timeline. They give Loki a choice: being erased from existence due to being a time variant, or help fix the timeline and stop a greater threat. Loki ends up trapped in his own crime thriller, traveling through time and altering human history. Are you going to watch this series? And are there other Marvel characters you would like me to draw in a video? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out the pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. Loki Odinson is a character portrayed by Tom Hiddleston in the Marvel Cinematic Universe film franchise, based on the Marvel Comics character of the same name. In the films, Loki is known as the God of Mischief and is one of the most powerful of the Asgardians, an alien civilization with long ties to Earth, who are therefore considered on Earth to be gods. As in the comics, Loki has generally been a villain in the MCU, variously attempting to conquer Asgard or Earth, and having allied himself with more powerful villains to achieve his aims. He has particular antagonism for his adoptive brother, Thor, and is known to ally with and then betray Thor and others, and to regularly return from apparent death. Later on in his development in the films, he becomes less of a supervillain and more of an anti-hero. Now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is... Painting time! Here we go. That's it for this week's video. I hope you guys like my drawing of Loki, and are there some other Marvel characters you want to see me draw on this channel as well? Please let me know in the comment section. And as always guys, if you like the video, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start your weekend. And if you want to help me out even more, please share this content on all your social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend my friends, we will see each other again next Friday. Bye!